Alright, so here's your girl, Adventure So Val. I am still here in Costa Rica. 5 days later, had Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning to go.
She camping, she clapping, she clapping, she flying, she's flying, she's driving, she's driving, she's adventures about.
It's hot outside already. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm getting outside. But first, coffee. This is nothing like the machines in the States. And it has great coffee. Right here. It's not gonna get no better than that, y'all. Starbucks too. Let me show you guys Nicaragua. Well, you see that mountain ridge way over there in the distance, just below the clouds. That across over there is Nicaragua. That ridge is a natural forest. Yeah, fun fact. All right, so let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room, y'all. I know y'all been watching the videos, and you guys have seen the ring. So just to let you guys know that Mr. Lock It Down has not locked it down yet. The ring is a diversion, simply because I'm solo traveling, and I don't want to keep getting asked the questions, are you solo, are you single, are you by yourself? However, inquisitive minds want to know. I know you guys want to know. I'm still out here solo dolo. Will I continue to wear the ring for the rest of the trip? I will. But yeah, I must say that it has been a great diversion because it's kept the riffraff away. Hello.
What?
Have you ever been on a vacation and you came home and you said, what did I get out of it except for spending my money? Well, I got just what I came for. And that was clarity, peace, and relaxation.
Check this out.
Okay.
So some days it's just about caring about your stock, your mental clarity, your health, and making sure that everyone around you is positive. If not, you'll go down in the barrel with the rest of the crabs. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're like right there. If you guys don't know by now, the beach is my happy place. I am not an avid swimmer. I don't snorkel, but being on the shoreline, being near the water, hearing the ocean, hearing the sounds of the waves, that's my happy place. Park me by the beach, give me some shade, and I can stay there all day. Let me take a moment to give recognition to Coastal Customs and Coatings located in Hinesville and Savannah, Georgia. I'll start by saying I am beyond impressed with their truck gear by Line-X, the 60-quart Expedition all-terrain cooler. It is built to last with its rugged design, stainless steel bottle openers, drink holders, cutting board that doubles as a divider and basket, automatic pressure valve, all-terrain wheels, retractable handle, and backed by a lifetime warranty. This cooler is comparable to the top name brand coolers like Yeti and Orica. The best part is you're getting a premium performance without the premium price tag. Supporting a local business owner who delivers a level of quality just makes it even better. You should check them out. Check them out at coastalcustomsandcoatings.com or visit one of their 2 locations. This cooler is built for real adventure. Listen, I am about to be 55, and the key rule to being solo or being single is to love yourself first. If you do not love yourself first, you cannot expect for anyone else to love you, nor can you give love. I'm not needing a shot, am I? Do I need to go around? I'm not needing a shot, am I? Okay. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you. Want to take a picture of you while you got me? You know what? I will, because I have a YouTube channel, so you're going to be on my YouTube channel, okay? All right. So this is, what's your name? Troy Rita. From Indianapolis. Oh my God, all the way from Indianapolis. And she's turned 40 today.
Yes,
so,
sir. 112, 86 babies.
Whoa,
We're 40.
Yes. Happy birthday, Queen.
Thank you so much.
Now that warms my heart just to see these young women out here celebrating life abroad. Baby, get out and travel. Get out of your comfort zone. Get out that couch. Make those plans. Save your money and make it happen.
Enjoying the beach. Like, what's not to enjoy about Costa Rica? I believe even if it was a rainy season, I probably would still be enjoying the majority of the trip because of the people. If you guys are following Adventures with Val, my RV channel, that's what I want you guys to do. I don't know if you guys can see the cars in the background, but right around here, right around there, is a whole campground area. You guys can't really see it because of the sun. It's a whole campground area. No registration, no nothing. If the spot is available, you pull up. You get to stay there for a couple weeks and do you. In a tent, of course. I don't see anybody back in. I mean, they could back in the RV over there. But, yeah. They were out there barbecuing yesterday when I was on the ATVs. They were out there doing the darn thing. But, I ain't even mad at them. Like, at first I was like, dang, I'm jealous. But, you know, jealous is not a good look on me. Not at all. But just to see these people being able to camp and have no worries about registration and people harassing them and bothering them. They just tucked into their little areas. And I wish I could walk down there, but I'm not going to walk all the way down there because the sun is killing me, baby. It's draining. And I got to go back and get ready for dinner. But yeah. Whew. Your girl's going to sit over here on this log, take a picture or two, and take it back to the resort. But yeah.
So y'all know I had to go get a dip in this water because it was so hot out there. I think it was like 88 degrees that day. Normally during the winters I get really pale, but once I get a tan, it lasts me for a few months. So
I am still here in Costa Rica. 5 days later, have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday morning to go. Right now in my area, there's been a freeze warning. I knew I should have booked 2 weeks instead of 1. So it is what it is. Next year, yeah, I'll be fleeing the country again for a longer period. Y'all, I'm just saying. But look at that. I don't guess that 30-degree weather or whatever it is tonight. Georgia, y'all gotta get it right. Gotta get it right. You're gonna miss about 2 months of some economy from me. So,
Outfit check, light dinner, and yeah, back to the room. Let me take this headscarf off. But yeah, outfit check. Okay. Simple, plain, and ready to go.